Hello everyone, this is V Buzzing with V. Welcome to another video. Today's video is an incoming TN swap with Pia Pie Art. I will have her link below. And ooh, I can't wait to get into this. So it's a micro mini swap, and as you guys know, I am part of Shar Crane's Crafty Pals. I will have the hashtag link below as well as her channel. And she has a Patreon. She's currently having swaps every month with TNs. So let's go ahead and get into it and see what she sent. I will have the video that I sent to her linked down below. So let's get into it. I'm going to take it all out. Just wanted to show you the box. So here is a bag full of stuff. And then right here is, and here's the TN. I see it. I see the TN. And then, oh my goodness, no, she does not have a Daiso. She sent me Daiso. So that is it right there. She sent so much crinkle. Look at all that. So beautiful. Okay, let's go ahead and get into it, you guys. Let's get into the let's go ahead and get into the card first. Oh, I see so many goodies. So our swap was the TN plus a $5 item, which is how Shara does her swaps. Her group swaps, and so I decided to go with that. I told her, let's do that what Shara does, you know, something very easy and simple, and we could do it really fast. So she sent this beautiful card, and this card is super thick, and I love how it has, this is like a watercolor, and then it has glitter. I love this. Okay, let me read her card. Definitely gonna love this. And I already see goodies on the side here, and she sent way too much. I can already tell. So let's get into this. I know the camera doesn't like these bags, so I'm gonna go ahead and open that real fast. Oh my goodness, I'm already seeing, oh my goodness, this is so beautiful, Pia. I love this. So first of all, she made a circle right here, and then she added acetate with the duck. Oh my goodness. And we went with Marigold, you guys. So we decided to go with Marigold. I love her butterfly here. She did what I did as well. I did the same thing here. When she gets that, she's gonna laugh. Oh my goodness. And then I love how she did this, the flag. She put some beads. She put a flower in the back. And then she added this ephemera piece right here. And she even stitched on the ephemera piece, which is amazing. I love how she did that. And then she added these flat backs. Oh, I hope you guys can see this. I'll zoom in. And then she included this paper clip, which is so cute. And so this is the journaling part, which I love. I love that it has a journal where you can journal at, because that's the whole point of this. And then she has this swan in here, which looks amazing, you guys. Look at that. So pretty. I love the front so much, Pia. This is so cute. And then you turn it over. And then she, look at this. She added a pocket, and it is a clear pocket with this. Oh, this is laminate sheets. She laminated, and she added some glitter. Oh, that looks so nice, Pia. What a great idea. She added this bee. This is one reason why I love Marigold, is for the bees. It goes so well. And then she added a dangle right here next to this paper clip, and I love it. And it says thankful for you. And she did all the tearing and stitching periodically here and there, which I love. And then the ephemera pieces, she did so much. Look at this. I don't know if this is part of the die set, but this is like a Polaroid. I love that. I love that. I'm not sure if that's part of the die set, but she sent this one, which is this. I love this one. And I absolutely love this one. I'm definitely going to use all of these. Oh my God. She sent so much, you guys. She went above and beyond, and I love it. I love the TN. This is so cute. Okay, so I'm going to put that to the side, and let's get into this. So I already see this, and these are from Daiso. Already see that. I'm going to show you guys. And then here we are, the bag. It's a little strawberry milk jug, and it's a bag. So the top isn't as wide, so you could only limit what you're gonna put in there, which I would probably put some tassels or some crochet hearts or something like that. But look at this. I love the pink as well. It says sweet. Oh my goodness, I love strawberry milk. It's my favorite. And then, oh goodness, look at this, you guys. So she told me, do you want these discs that Shara gives out? Because she had already bought some thinking that it was going to come super late, and so she asked Shara to send her some of these, and well, she was sending everyone these if they needed some, and so she thought she was gonna need them, and she said she didn't, so she asked if I wanted them because hers came in early, her shipment came in early, and I said sure, so that'll be your $5 gift, that's all you have to send. No. Pia does not just stop there. Look at what she said. Pia, are you sure? Are you sure you want to send this to me? She sent so much. So I sent her more handmade and she sent more store-bought. But I absolutely love it because I have not picked up this collection yet. Day to Day, the planner collection, I haven't picked it up. So oh my goodness, I love this. Definitely going to recreate this. I'm glad she sent this to me. So definitely going to recreate that. And then she sent me some charms, which I absolutely love charms. And then these are kind of like tropical. And then she sent, oh, she made handmade bows. Look at these. These are definitely Shara Crane Crafty Pals. And I love these bows. So pretty. You did an awesome job there, Pia. And then she sent a bookmark for our traveler's notebook. She also sent this Park Lane. These are, I think, from Hobby Lobby, but I love it because of the bees. I love the bees so much. Look at that. Puffy stickers. I love this. Thank you, Pia. Oh my God, Pia, are you serious? She sent me a die. I always send dies, but I am out. I am completely out of dies. And the only die that I have is a flower die, and I believe she has it already. It's that flat flower that everyone was so obsessed with. So that was the only die I had left to give out other than Christmas. But thank you. It's just a little banner, and it says thank you. So it looks like it's the banner, and then you could put the word thank you if you want, or if you don't, then you can just use the banner like that. Thank you so much, Pia. I will definitely use this in a TN. And then she sent this right here, which is a stencil, and thank you so much, because these are amazing things to have, especially when journaling and stuff. You want to make something look really cute. This is so nice. Thank you so much, Pia. Look at all that she sent, you guys. So much goodies. I know my camera does not like the reflection of the bag, but look at all of this, you guys. Oh my goodness. So many goodies. Thank you so much, Pia. I appreciate this so much. Thank you for swapping with me. And I hope you guys enjoyed me unboxing as well as I did, because I really did. It's so much fun, and I can't wait till she unboxes hers as well. So I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. Oh, she's going to be linked below and on the icon above. Bye.